Hello everyone, welcome back to the first video of the Bootstrap series, and the heading is Use Responsive Design with Bootstrap Fluid Container. In HTML5 and CSS section of FreeCodeCamp, we built a cat photo app. Now let's go back to it. This time we will style it using the popular Bootstrap responsive CSS framework. Bootstrap will figure out how wide your screen is and respond by resizing your HTML elements, hence the name responsive. With responsive design, there is no need to design a mobile version of your website. It will look good on devices with the screens of any width. You can add Bootstrap to any app by adding the following code to the top of your HTML. Link relation style sheet ref with integrity. In this case, we have already added it for you to this page behind the scenes. Note that using angular bracket for or greater than sign and slash angular bracket to close the link tag is acceptable. In this case, this is acceptable. To get started, we should nest all our HTML except link tag and style element in div element with the class container fluid. Okay, right now this looks like this, and with the exception of link tag. Okay, all of our HTML except the link tag and a style element in a div element. Okay, from here div to div closed here, and the class of div will be class equal to container fluid. Okay, let's run the test and download my solution. And thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.